Welcome all. This is our lecture 4, and in this lecture, we will cover the topic software management activities. What kind of activities we will perform or we will done in the software management process. We will discuss about them in this lecture. As we all know, software project management comprise or have some in number of activities which contains planning of the project, deciding scope of software product, estimation of cost, size, time taken to complete the project, or what kind of resources we needed to complete this software project. Okay, what kind of scheduling, what kind of another test team we required. All these will estimated or defined in this process. The project management activities may include these. There are three main categories or three main aspects by which we can manage or we can arrange these activities, namely project planning, scope management, and project estimation. The project planning, as we all know, the planning is done before the actual work will start, because it will save our extra efforts and time. Because if we will plan after starting the project and we have to change any aspect, any module of the project, then this will impact, or this will impact the negative impact on the software project. So the project planning is necessary, and it will done before the project starts. The next one is scope management. It defines the scope of the project, what kind of activities, what kind of needs, and what will be the final deliverable, final software. Okay, or we can say it create the boundaries for the project. Then this will clearly define, then this project will done this and this project will not done this. Okay, this all done in the scope management. This makes project to contain limited and quantifiable tasks which can easily be documented and avoids cost and time overrun. Because in a software project management, our main aim to make the project within the budget and deliver the project to the final customer before the due date. During project scope management, it is necessary to define the scope, decide its verification and control, divide the project into various smaller parts for ease of management. This is very important concept. We will discuss in the upcoming lecture about this, that in the software management process we will divide a particular task into some smaller task as well, and this is called a specific name. Name is work breakdown structure. We will learn about it in the upcoming lectures. Okay, the next one is verify the scope. Control the scope by incorporating changes to the scope. Our next activity is project estimation. Project estimation means to estimate. As we listen the word estimation, the first thing we will that come in our mind, that is, this is related to the cost, this is related to the schedule, this is related to the time. Okay, we will estimate all these things by this document. For an effective management, accurate estimation of various measures is must. Suppose we have not a good estimation, then the conditions within the project or before the project will be harmful to the organization if it have no proper estimation of their resources, their cost and time. Project estimation may involve the following: software size estimation, effort estimation, time estimation, and the cost estimation, as we have discussed. Okay, all these estimates we will learn how we will estimate the time, cost, and other aspects. We will discuss about these in the upcoming lectures. So this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always. Thank you.